Some projects are more than just a job. They're a privilege. And this one is not just about AV. It's for and about the people that gave everything for us, our veterans. The Tunnison Tower Foundation was born from tragedy, created to honor the sacrifice of Steven Seiler, a New York firefighter that laid down his life on September 11, 2001. Today, that mission continues, building homes, restoring independence, and honoring our veterans and first responders. This isn't just housing, it's a lifeline and a promise that the nation that they once served still stands behind. When we were invited to be a part of this project, we were excited because we were able to give back in the best way we know how, by creating spaces where people can be entertained, connect, but more than anything, feel at home. The common spaces are extremely important in this project, not just because they have individual zones of audio and displays, but because this is where bonding happens, and this is where you set up the atmosphere for the building. In our dining room, we got a pair of speakers for entertaining. In this lounge and sitting area, we have a display with a pair of speakers, and in the foyer, we have a separate pair of speakers. This is how you can adjust and create an environment in a building with music and audio and video, so we had to point this out. Not only that, but they do have a really nice gym. So let's go check that one out. One of the common places that we had to highlight on this project was the gym, because they do have a state-of-the-art gym with all of the cardio equipment you may need, weights, barbells, machines. But not only that, there is room for entertainment. As you can see, we have a T4 touchscreen in this room that controls this room. Not only that, we have a pair of in-ceiling speakers to allow anyone that comes into this room to actually control their own music. This is bonding, this is exercises, this is health, this is life. Not only that, but we do have a display to allow them to watch YouTube, Netflix, or anything that they want to control in the room. And it's all simple and easy to use by this T4 touchscreen. For staying connected with family, friends, and resources, in this conference room, we installed an amazing conferencing system. We did the Apollo system to give them the option to hardwire their computer for a job interview, for a Zoom call with their family and friends. They also have the option to install the wireless dock for conferencing, job interviews, or whatever they want to use it for. This Apollo system has a built-in microphone that's connected to a state-of-the-art camera. That PTZ camera has tracking, AI technology for speakers, a 25x zoom in, and it's all simple and easy to use. We wanted simplicity, so we went with Apollo. We built a state-of-the-art multi-purpose room, a perfect place for movie night, sports events, and joint laughter. Not only that, but a place where the audio is immersive and pictures come to life. Let's talk about the details. This multi-purpose room is divided into two places that can be combined into one. In this section of the room, we have a 5.1 surround sound with a 4K laser projector and a retractable screen. On this side of the room, we have a standalone display, a pair of in-ceiling speakers to separate the audio and video of this room, or if for whatever reason you want to open them up and combine them, you can play the same thing on all the speakers or TVs in the room. This makes the perfect place for entertaining. This allows the staff and members to come in, hang out, watch what they want to watch, listen to what they want to listen to, and get immersed into the technology of this room. A lot of shared memories are going to happen here. A lot of good moments are going to happen here. So this is a room that we had to highlight. Every floor has their own resident lounge, a place for the residents to come in, have a movie night, have a game night, read a book, or just spend some time alone. Each of the room has their own display, their own speakers, and their own touchscreen. One of the things that we added into all of the lounges was capability for standalone Bluetooth audio. Every member can come in here, they can go to this T4, they can select the Bluetooth, they can activate the Bluetooth, and now they can connect to the system and play music in this ring. This is just one of the many projects that we're partnering with Tunnison Tower to bring smart living to our vets. If this project inspired you, I'm asking you to get involved. Go to tunnisontower.org, learn about their mission, learn about their story, and get involved. Because together, we can build smart places, we can build homes. Thank you for watching. Look, listen, and live with Empire AB. Have yourself an awesome day.